Flip Idea channel. In this video, we discuss the abilities of parrots producing voice-like sounds, and while we're at it, comment your experiences with these birds. The brains of these birds are one of the most complex. Talking is a form of socialization, but they don't use it with all species. Like cats with meow, which is the exclusive way of communicating with humans, parrots have developed the ability to talk as a system of communication with us that they never use in nature to communicate with each other. Birds and mammals have very different vocalization organs. Mammals like us have a larynx, also described as the voice box, which is located at the top of the trachea and which manipulates pitch and volume. The human vocal cords are muscles inside the larynx. When air flows across the vocal cords, they vibrate during speech or singing, somewhat like the strings on a violin. By contrast, the syrinx, the vocal organ of a bird, is a unique bony structure surrounded by an air sac which lies at the lower end of the trachea. Unlike the larynx, a bird's syrinx contains no vocal cords. Instead, sound is produced in this organ through the vibration of the walls of the organ. Within its surrounding air sac, it acts as a resonating chamber. In essence, the way sound is made by the larynx versus the syrinx is analogous to sounds produced by a violin and a kettle drum. The sound a bird makes with its syrinx is changed by muscles that change the tension within the organ, thus changing the pitch, and by moving air over the syrinx at a great speed in order to change the volume. If birds lack a larynx, the voice box associated with human speech, how do parrots, budgies, and other birds imitate human speech? There are actually several different techniques used by birds, often depending on their size. Unlike most birds, parrots have thick tongues, more like human tongues than bird tongues, which allow them to form the sounds of words, somewhat like we do. They emit a preliminary sound from their syrinx and then modify it using the mouth, throat, and tongue.